So in this video, I'm going to tell you how you can create professional reels and TikTok videos or even Instagram stories from Canva application. You need to open your Canva application, then you need to click on mobile video, or if you don't see this here, you can just go on search and type mobile video. Now you get many templates here. You can just select any template as per your need. For example, I like this adventure template. I just select on adventure template. Then I can edit everything here. For example, I want to edit this video. I can just replace this video with my video. I can replace all three of these videos and add my video. I can also edit the text here.